Hi everybody, welcome to The Percussioner. Today I'm going to talk about a really simple topic. It's a lesson that I've probably taught over 100 times. Seems like something that gets asked a lot every time I go into a school. And that is how we tie cymbal straps. It's actually something really important that we all need to know how to do. It's good to teach the kids how to do it. If you don't do it right, you end up in like a epic fail video on YouTube. And unlike that little saluting kid, you may not end up a national hero. So it's something I'm really paranoid about. I do it a lot. I keep checking on them a lot. Obviously, ours last a lot longer than a school's because we simply pick our cymbals up and play them properly. But kids are back there doing this kind of stuff, spinning their cymbals around, and you know, they're messing with it. And all that wear and tear will start to cut into this leather, and you don't want it to happen in a performance. It's comical, but it sort of ruins the moment. So yeah, let's quickly talk about that. Great. Take a look here on the other side of the cymbal. As you can see, I just tie, it's a figure 4. It's what I was taught. It's what I've seen on everybody's cymbals. It's very simple. And yeah, let's take a look. Let's dive into it. We'll start taking this apart here, just like this. Just pull them out. There you go, and go ahead and pull it out here. Let's just take a look so you can see a bit of the wear and tear. As you can see, even mine starting to cut in just a little bit right there. They just start to get worn out, and so you got to just be aware of it. Great, so now that you have your cymbal strap out of the cymbal, and we've checked for some of that wear and tear, if it's bad, I would honestly consider contacting your local store and getting some new ones. They're inexpensive and it's definitely worthwhile. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. When I use the leather ones like this, there's two sides to it, and one side is this beautiful glossy side with the lovely Zildjian logo on it. It's quite smooth and polished, whatever they do to leather. I actually reverse it and use the rough side. The rough side, it's going to absorb a little bit more moisture in your hands, and it's just a better grip. It just feels more secure, so that's something I look at. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take the two sides, and I just push them together. You got 2 and 2, right? Make sure they're lined up. Just sort of going in the same direction. Now, what I do is I'll take the 2 from one side, and I'll simply slide it inside 2 of the other. Doesn't matter which side you choose, just so that you have 4 relatively lined up strands there. Okay, and then we'll take the cymbal. Just slide them straight through the top all in one go. And just pull it through. Pull it through as far as you can get it. There we go. Once you're on the other side, you're going to want to splay them out as best you can to make a big plus sign here. Just get them as flat as you can. It's leather, so it manipulates pretty easily. And now we're going to start with the process. So the process for me is I pick the one farthest away from me, and I simply flip it over, and I go in a clockwise fashion. So I take 12 o'clock and I fold it down. Then I take 3 o'clock and I fold it over that one. And then I take 6 o'clock, fold it over that one. Finally, this is the most important one, 9 o'clock is going to have to fold over 6 and under 12. Okay? That is the one that actually makes, and as you can see, without any tightening, I've already made the little plus sign there, okay? There we go. Now this is a part that's usually easier with 2 people. Typically I'll grab 2 and I'll have one of the students grab 2, and then we just pull tight. But you can also just alternate, take turns here on your own. Just keep pulling like this. There we go, until you feel tight and secure. Just really make sure it's in there tight. And there you go. That's pretty much it. You're gonna check on this side, make sure it's coming out smooth, because you want to be able to get a good grip under there. We've talked about cymbal grip in some of the other videos. Want to make sure you have a really nice grip under there and it's smooth. It's not going to be cutting into your fingers or anything like that. I also want to address something that Zildjian's made. This is something a student of mine brought back for me, and I have loved it. Zildjian has made these new cymbal straps that they obviously are made out of nylon here with a leather handle, leather pad. So it's nice, you can get that leather pad under your hand. This is far more durable, obviously, than leather. Well, I mean, it's hard to say. I wouldn't know the answer to that, actually, but this has already got some fraying on it after just maybe 2 years use. So yeah, just something to check out. Maybe your local store carries some of these. I'm loving it, so I'm happy to make the switch. It definitely feels a lot more comfortable in your hands. So there you go. If you got any questions, let me know. Give me an email at ericrennick@thepercussioner.com, and have a good one. See you later.